What's good, YouTube man? Kid coming through with another banger match analysis. Before this match analysis start, make sure you smash that like button. Let's try and get this video to 200 likes, and we're gonna be lit. We choose this match analysis. So without further ado, wasting time, we're gonna start with today's VIP match analysis research. And I'm saying, so this is a ticket from a person who joined VIP today. They sent me this ticket and said they risked 24 rand. They raised 24 rand, and they are happy to say that they have made back their investment of 200 rand in one ticket for 15 odds secured, man. During the week tomorrow, we're gonna be doing 5 and 3 odds, and I've prepared 5 odds for your back nation, man. So make sure you smash the like button if you wanna join VIP group. Hit me up. My numbers gonna be in the description of the video. So without further ado, make sure you comment down. So I have already prepared today's ticket, you know I'm saying, nation. So it's gonna be faster, quicker. 3 teams, 5 odds. If you like this kind of match analysis, let's get this video to 200 likes without further ado wasting your time. You wanna join VIP group, smash, hit me up on WhatsApp. So we have Crystal Palace versus Man City, and I'm saying, man, nation, it's been a long time, man. Miss you guys, you know I'm saying. So Crystal Palace versus Man City, it's gonna be under 10.5 corners. Remember, I said, nation, that I have already prepared this match analysis. So I did the match analysis on my device. So now I'm just sharing the ticket, and I'm gonna share the code. The reason is I couldn't do like the match analysis from scratch is because my laptop burned out. So this is a slower laptop. I don't wanna waste your guys' time, man. So man, you know, man, nation care about your guys' time. So make sure you smash that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't be scared to join the VIP group. We are lit in the VIP group. Trust me, we are lit. So under 10.5. Then up next we have Real Madrid. So Real Madrid, we're gonna go with something unique, something you guys haven't seen me bet for a free ticket, which is bookings for first half, and it's gonna be under 1.5. You know what I'm saying? So I already prepared this match analysis before, so now I'm just doing it to show you guys the odds. You know what I'm saying, nation? We aim for 5 odds. We're coming back with 5 odds. So we're gonna slide over to our bookings tab. Listen to me, nation. Bookings tab. Watch carefully. If you're not familiar with this market, I don't want you making no mistake and losing a ticket because of a small mistake. So you go to bookings, and it's gonna say first half overs and unders under 0.5. Then it's gonna say first half overs and unders under 1.5, under 2.5, and so on. So we're looking for under 1.5, which means there's gonna be less than 2 bookings in the first half. So here it is, first half overs and unders under 1.5, 1.97 odds, already 3.41 odds. We're jumping on to our last game, which is let me try and remember, Lazio versus Venice. For that one, I think it's gonna be corners under 10.5. So stick around up until the end to find out where you can find the booking code for this ticket, man. I'm gonna say it at the end of the video. So let's go on to our Lazio versus Venice. You want more odds, like 10 odds? Make sure you get this video to 500 likes, man. Start smashing the like button now, so that as the minute this video reaches 500 likes, I'm gonna keep checking. I'm gonna give you guys a late 10 odds, you know what I'm saying? So you boys already know, man, we late, we original. If you guys haven't noticed yet, it's like I'm the only guy on YouTube who teaches you how to bet and gives the results. Some other people just talk about strategies, but they don't apply the strategy or show the results. So we lead, man. We original. We from the core. Thanks for your guys' support, man. So I really appreciate you guys. Corners. Corners. I don't know how to spell corners. CORO. Corners. Should show now. So we lit with under 10.5, which is 1.53 odds, taking us to 5.22 odds. So I'm gonna press book. I'm booking this ticket. Here's the booking coordination, man. You know what I'm saying? It's capital U161 A, capital A 9202. Let me repeat: capital U161, capital